I've never done one of these before. No one likes me enough to do an interview. Oh no! This always happens. You know, growing up, I got bullied a lot.
And what do you think about Professor Virus?
You look like a fat banana.
You look like a fat man?
Everyone thought I was just wearing a suit, but actually, this is my real skin. No one ever took me seriously. My mom always thought I was a joke, and that's why I decided to become a villain. I wanted to become the greatest villain ever. And you know what I think? I think I am the greatest villain ever. I spent my life savings buying these minions and hiring them to do all my jobs. I went on the top premier site to find these minions, and I spent everything that I have. Well, you haven't asked me any questions. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. I guess I get this a lot. People don't really talk to me. But I am the greatest villain of all time.
And take two. Do you do anything for fun?
For fun? I do a lot of things for fun. I love cooking. I love eating. And I also play a little piano. Many people don't know that about me. They just look at me for what I look like.
Oh, we have a piano over there. Can you show us a little bit of your
Oh,
talent?
I don't know.
Oh, come on, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we got plenty of time.
Okay. I can't really see, but here I go. My mom always said I was a joke.
No, it's okay. Keep going, keep going, keep on going.
No, I'm good.
Okay, you have anything else you want to say?
No. Cheer up. Cheer up.
I have a question. Did you know your mask is upside down?
What do you mean? So you're telling me this wasn't a mustache?
No, that's not a mustache.
They're eyebrows?
Yes.
This is much better.